In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the domain is not connected error in Hostinger step by step. If you're seeing this message inside your Hostinger dashboard, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and it's usually caused by name servers or DNS settings not being configured correctly. I'll walk you through the 3 main things you need to check so you can get your website live as quickly as possible. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical website tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to check is your name servers. In most cases, this error appears because your domain is not pointing to Hostinger's default name servers. So log in to wherever you purchased your domain. This could be Hostinger itself or another domain registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. Once you're inside your domain management area, look for the section called DNS Settings or Name Servers. If your domain is connected properly to Hostinger, the name servers should be set to Hostinger's default name servers. If they are set to something else, like custom name servers from another hosting provider, that's likely the problem. Change them to Hostinger's default name servers exactly as provided in your Hostinger H panel. Save the changes once you've updated them. If your domain is already using Hostinger name servers and you're still seeing the error, the next thing you need to check is your DNS records. Inside your Hostinger H panel, go to the DNS zone editor for your domain. Here, you want to make sure there are no conflicting DNS records. Specifically, check your A record and your CNAME record. Your main A record should point to Hostinger's default IP address. If it's pointing to an old hosting provider's IP address, your domain will not connect properly. Update the A record so it matches the IP address shown in your Hostinger hosting plan details. Also check for duplicate A records that might be causing conflicts, and remove any incorrect ones. Next, look at the CNAME record, especially for the www version of your domain. The CNAME for www should point to your root domain or to the correct Hostinger target. If it's pointing somewhere else, delete the incorrect entry and replace it with the proper one. Cleaning up these conflicting DNS records often immediately resolves the issue. Now, the third and final thing to understand is DNS propagation. Even after you fix your name servers and DNS records, the changes are not always instant worldwide. In many cases, updates take about 5 to 30 minutes to start working, but sometimes it can take up to 24 hours for full global propagation. During this time, you might still see the "domain is not connected" message. This doesn't necessarily mean something is wrong. It just means the DNS changes are still updating across global servers. You can use a DNS checker tool online to confirm whether your domain is pointing to the correct Hostinger IP address. So, to quickly recap, first, make sure your name servers are set to Hostinger's default name servers. Second, remove any conflicting A or CNAME records and ensure they point correctly to Hostinger. And third, give it some time for DNS propagation to complete. Following these 3 steps will fix the issue in the vast majority of cases. And that's it. You now know how to fix the domain is not connected error in Hostinger. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy website and hosting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.